Hello everybody, this is Ahsan and today we're gonna look at OnePlus Z truly wireless earbuds. OnePlus has competitively priced these buds at $50. These are IP55 water resistance rating, comes with 20 hours of battery within the case. Also 10 minutes of charging to the buds will give you 3 hours of playing time. So let's start unboxing these buds, check what comes in the box, check the build quality and pair it with my phone. Let's take out the plastic. So now quickly look at the buds case here. At the front it has a picture of the bud, says OnePlus Bud Z. I got it in white color. On the side it says base boots. It comes with dynamic 10mm drivers, 20 hours of battery life, so that's pretty good. Water and soil resistant. These are IP55 water resistance. Comfortable, cool design and seamless printing. And at the back it has some company information. So now let's open the box up, see what's inside the box. So here's the first impression of the box. Buds are here, so let's put this on side for now. Let's take out this. It seems like this is the filling cushion. See what comes after that. Buds for life. It says here, enjoy your new buds. See what's in the package here. Let's open this up. Had some air tips, medium, large, and there's nothing inside this. Now this is the USB type C to USB for charging the case. And what's next? Some user manual. I'll go through this later on. There's also more paperwork here, warranties. I'm not gonna go over this. So this is all comes with the box, pretty much it. So this is the USB type C to USB for charging the buds. This is pretty short. I like short cables here, so these does not get tangled or anything. These comes with the ear tips, medium, large and small. Select the best size for your ear and use that one. Let's talk about the case before I show you the buds itself. So the case is in a cylindrical form, so that's good. This is how big the case is. And at the back it has a USB type C for charging purposes, and also has a button for reset and pairing to the phone. And let's open this case up. This is the first impression of these buds. So these are horizontally lined up into the case here. Let's take one of these out. So this is how it looks like. I'll take both of them out. The magnet on the case is pretty strong. If you try to drop it in, it won't come out, so that's good. And at the front it has a status indicator pairing to your phone. Let's now take these ones out. Now let's have a closer look to the earbuds. This is how it looks like. The design is pretty sleek. The stamp is not that big. If you don't mind having a stamp like one of those Apple AirPods, this is how design look like. These are also IP55 water resistance rating. Also it has the sensitive touch here, which I will go over this later in the video. The battery on this will give you around 3 hours of playing time if you only charge it for 10 minutes. One point not to forget is the case comes with 450 milliamps of battery that can last up to 20 hours. And these earbuds, each earbuds comes with 40 milliamps of battery that will give roughly around 5-hour playing time and 3 hours of a phone call. So now let's start connecting this to my phone and see how the seamless connection is. I'm using Samsung S9 Plus. So as soon as you pop that open, you will get a notification on your cell phone. It says here OnePlus Z appear on the device linked with this. Just press connect. It will take few minutes to connect it. It says it's connected now. So as you guys can see, this one is paired fine. So as soon as you close the lid on the earbuds, it will automatically disconnect from your device. This is how seamless pairing works. So if you don't have a OnePlus device, you can download the app called Hey Melody, and where you can change the functionality of the touch sensitivity here and add some more features. So I'm gonna agree and add here. I'm gonna put the location on, add. So once it scans, it will connect to the buds here. I'll press connect, and this is how where you can see the battery life left on each of the earbuds. And the case here, it's almost, my earbuds are almost died. This is where you can set up the touch control here on the left and right. So if you click on left, so you can see double tap left earbuds. If you double tap on the left one, it will go to the next, and same thing on the right. And if you would like to change the double tap, if you don't want to go to the next, just click here. It will, you can pick whatever you want, play, pause. So if you double tap, it will play and pause on, and on the right one you can also pick whatever setting you like to do. You can just say previous, and this is how it's simple to set up these earbuds. So now I have set up the touch sensitivity on the Melody app. Now let's test it out. On the left one, I have selected tap once. It will just check it again. It says double tap. So once I double tap on the left one, it will play and pause the music. I'm gonna put these into my ear. I'm gonna bring the music down for now. So now let's double tap on the left one and see if this one pause the song or no. So this is, I'm gonna double tap again, it will play the song. So that's good. And on the right one, I have configured it to go to the previous song. If I double tap, let's see, if I double tap, it went to the previous song. Touch sensitivity is pretty responsive, so that's good. Plus you cannot go wrong with the price wise what you're paying for this device. It's only $50. Let's talk about the sound quality and the responsiveness of these earbuds. The sound quality is pretty crisp and nice. Bass wise is pretty good too. The air tips plays a great role. It suction out all the airs, even though it's not noise cancelling, but it's pretty much cancelling all the noise around my ear. The suction on the ear tips are pretty good. Now changing the ear tips on these earbuds are pretty simple. Just take this one out here, and you can, that's how simple it is. Pick a new one and just plug it in like this. If you're bigger or a smaller ear, pick the correct size and you're good to go. This is how simple it is to change the ear tips. So let's talk about the pros and cons of these earbuds. I like the case of the OnePlus. This is horizontal and a linear case. This is not bulky. Something I have used buds like hacky. The size of the case is a big difference between the size. Even though this one is wireless charging, this one does not, but the size of the case plays a huge role. You can easily fit into your jeans pocket. The suction of these buds is pretty good, and the con about this is you're only limited to the functionality of the double tap onto the buds. There's no single tap or triple tap. A lot of the truly wireless earbuds in the market where you can triple tap, or one tap you can control the volume up and down, but in these earbuds you are only limited to double tap on either side. So I hope OnePlus One will work on that. One of the things OnePlus Bud Z is missing out is the wireless charging. On the case, you can only charge it to the wire here, but it's missing the wireless charging. So yeah, that's all for today guys. I'll be coming up with more content later on. If you have any question related to the earbuds, OnePlus Z earbuds, connectivity or anything, just leave it in the comment below. I will do my best to answer all of you.